Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reacted to the historic win in West Bengal. In a post on X, Prime Minister Modi says, and I quote him, "The lotus blooms in West Bengal. The 2026 West Bengal Assembly elections will be remembered forever. People's power has prevailed and BJP's politics of good governance has triumphed. I bow down to each and every person of West Bengal. The people have given a spectacular mandate to BJP, and I assure them that our party will do everything possible to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of the people of West Bengal. We will provide a government that ensures opportunity and dignity to all sections of the society." Those were the words of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as it was posted on social media. Well, our correspondent Siddhant Simbal, he sends more report from outside BJP headquarters in New Delhi.
For India's ruling BJP party, the big breakthrough clearly is West Bengal. It has been able to also retain power in Assam. Now here at the headquarters of BJP in Delhi, it is celebrations, something that is continuing since morning. Many workers have gathered here to celebrate the victory, carrying the flag of the BJP and sweets as well. And you can see quite enthusiastic workers present here and making chants as well. But clearly, this victory will have geopolitical implications as well. Now, both West Bengal and Assam are bordering state, and this victory is the top headline in Bangladeshi newspapers. In fact, the hope for Dhaka will be an early passage of the Teesta Agreement. Now, this water sharing agreement has been consistently opposed by the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal, even though it has got support from both the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh government and the Prime Minister Modi government. And now focus will be with BJP government both in the center and in the state. Dhaka will be hoping that this agreement could be sealed as soon as possible. With video journalist Piyush Siddhant Simbal for WION in New Delhi.